A lot of designers have issues when it comes to determining the size of bra cup to use whenever they want to draft a dartless cupped corset or anything that has to do with cupped corset, right? So now in this video I'm gonna be sharing more light on how to determine the size of bra cup to use for a bust of 36, for a bust of 40, for any bust size at all. Okay, so if you don't want to miss any part of this video, just stick around with me to the end of this video. So now first thing first is this: we are going to be drafting a dartless cupped corset, and drafting a dartless cupped corset, I'm going to be using the already made bra cup. Okay, so now there are different types of already made bra cup. We have the push-up type, we have the regular bra cup, we have the sheer bra cup. All right, so now but in this video I'm going to be using the regular bra cup because this is what is available in my area. Okay, so now I'm working with a bust of 35. Okay, and as some designers will think, okay, working with a bust of 35, you're going to be using a cup of 35. No, it doesn't work that way. This is it. Now if you are working for a bust of 35, is in two ways. Okay, now there are some people that a bust of 35 can be small. Those kind of people, that is a bust of 30, when you come across a bust of 35, you need to put into consideration the size of their the volume of their breast. Okay, so the volume of the breast will determine the size of the bra cup they are going to use, regardless of the fact that they are a bust size of 35 or thereabout. Okay, so now if I'm working with a bust of 35, I need to look at the person's cup. Okay, I need to look at the volume of the breast. Okay, now there are some cup bust 35 that have a small breast. Okay, so if you come across somebody that has a small breast and a bust of 35 for thereabout, you can try to use the exact bra cup for that particular person. That is, the person have a small cup. Okay, but there are some cup there are some bust 35. Okay, there are some bust 35, 36 that have a fuller breast. Okay, that is, they have a fuller breast. Those kind of people, you can decide to use a cup of 40 for them. Yes, I've done that and it works perfectly well. And determining the size of your cup also depend on the amount of coverage you want to have. Please take note of that. Okay, so now if I'm working with the bust of 38, for instance, I can decide to use a cup of, that is, if the person's breast is full. Okay, if it has enough volume, I can decide to use a cup of 40. I can decide to use a cup of 42, 44. Okay, now if you make use of a cup of 42, 44, it's even cover the more. Okay, so those are the things that you need to put into consideration when you are using your bra cup. You don't just go to the market because of the fact that the person has a cup of 35 or a cup of 36 or 37 or 38. You go to the market and buy the exact bra cup. No, you need to take note of the size of the breast, the volume of the breast, how much coverage the person wants. Okay, so that those are the things, those are the factors that will determine the size of bra cup that you are going to be used for that particular person. I hope I've been able to explain this to you guys. Okay, so now we can now go ahead now